Well, I don't know what in the world caused it, but it would appear my freaking sound system is screwed. Totally. It is just screwed all to hell. Like, I got power, everything turns on, but the problem is this amplifier appears to want to blow up anything connected to it. This one's working just alright. This subwoofer appears to have gone full open coil, and previously this amplifier tried to blow it up too. That's why the cone is warped. You can kind of see that. That's just beautiful, right? Well, now this amplifier is powering that subwoofer just fine because this amplifier seems to want to blow it up. I don't know what the hell is going on with this freaking sound system, but it's starting to drive me crazy. But I'm going to give you an idea of what it's doing real quick. Because, okay, right now, I don't know, well, you're not going to be able to see a darn thing under there, but right now, there are no audio wires, the amp remote is not hooked up to this amplifier. The inside amplifier is not hooked up to anything except power and that subwoofer right now. So I'm going to go ahead and go turn the switch on real quick to power up the amps, and that subwoofer is going to get sucked into box. Okay, like I said, there is no audio hooked up to this amp right now, so there should be no audio coming to this subwoofer, but watch this. Yeah, how the fuck about that? What the hell? Trying to freaking suck the woofer into the freaking box. Seriously, what the heck? Why is my amplifier doing that? Why is it doing that? I don't understand. I tried to hook this subwoofer up to it. It's not doing anything on either amplifier right now. I'm just gonna have to pull it out of the box and see if it went open coil on me, or maybe one of the wires just fell off the back, which I don't see being the case, because if you push on the cone, you can hear it. It is scraping on the frame. Yeah, that's not good. Because if I push on this one, you don't get any sound at all, which is right. So I'm gonna hook that subwoofer up to the working amplifier now. Yeah, let's hook that speaker up to this one. You can disconnect power from the inner amp because it is basically entirely useless now and non-functional. And just so you can see, this amplifier is still working and that subwoofer is still working. Turn that on. See, that amp lights up just fine. And yeah, that sub is working great. Yeah, now you can see it. Yeah, that sub is still working just fine. But I can't get anything out of this one, so that sucks. And that inner amp is trying to blow everything up, so that sucks. So, based on what these amplifiers have been doing, I don't know if I'm going to buy another Alpine PDX series amplifier. It would appear they have become unreliable at best. I have not beat the crap out of these things. I mean, it's ridiculous. They haven't even lasted 2 years. Well, maybe the inner one has lasted 2 years, but the outer one, I don't know. I gotta look up the damn serial numbers. I don't remember which one's which anymore. All I know is one of them hasn't even lasted 2 years yet, and the other one may be just a little older than 2 years, and they're both already issuing things. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna do Alpine amplifiers anymore. I don't know what I'm going to do about that subwoofer. I don't think it's way beyond the Amazon return period, so that's not going to happen. So, yeah, I'm screwed. I'm screwed with one working amplifier and one working subwoofer, and everything else is just paperweight. It's made now. So that's my little update on the Sierra system.